This is another case against Alice Guo and her cohorts. Okay? We will be filing cases against 36 individuals. Okay? Alice Guo and her councilor, vice mayor during her time. Also, against the former mayor prior to Alice Guo, including the vice mayor, councilors down. Okay. Ang cases na ipapile namin sa kanila ay violation ng Section 3E and 3G of RA 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. At saka possession of prohibited interest by public officer defined and penalized under Article 216 of the Revised Penal Code. Okay. Alam nyo, itong case na ito, grabe. By the way, hindi lamang po criminal case. Also, administrative cases for gross misconduct, serious dishonesty, and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. This will be filed this morning sa Ombudsman, diretso na sa Ombudsman, not sa DOJ. Diretso na sa Ombudsman at background. Sa investigation ng aking team, nakita na mayroong isang property doon, ang appraised value is 3.9 billion. But they only paid real property tax amounting to 10,000.
Oh.
Sa lupa, sa land yun sa lupa. Sa building, zero. Hindi nagbayad. So, yun, masyadong grossly disadvantageous to the government. Kaya, yan. At, mind you, patuloy pa rin ang investigation namin. Marami pang karugtong ito. At itong Task Force Guo ko ay hindi sila humihinto sa pagkakalap ng ebidensya. By the way, also, NBI ang main na nag-iimbestiga, but of course, with the help of PAO, they provided some evidence, documents, no? Kasi sama-sama ang raid nun di ba? Yan, kami nagtulong-tulong. Ganun. So, the cases will be filed, and yung mga cases, asan yung mga pipirmahan?